Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with Zurich for business insurance portal access, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to the Zurich website. On the home page, locate the business insurance portal. Click on the portal link to be redirected to the login page. Here, you will find an option to authorize access. Select the option for new users or those needing authorization. You will be prompted to enter your business email address. Provide the email address associated with your Zurich account. Next, complete the verification process as instructed. Check your email for a verification message from Zurich. Follow the link in the email to initiate the authorization. You may be required to create a password at this step. Choose a strong password that meets the specified criteria. Once your password is set, return to the login page. Enter your email address and newly created password. Click on the login button to enter the portal. If successful, you will gain access to your business insurance dashboard. Explore the various features and tools available in the portal. For any issues, contact Zurich support for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.